Hello and welcome to another video. This video hopefully is going to be a quick programming video on the computer that changed my life, the Commodore VIC-20. Whoops. As you can see, this is a rather nice command. This basically, well, if you're typing a lot of programming stuff and you want to know how much memory you have left, you just type in that command there and it shows you how much memory you have left on the VIC-20. Of course, remembering how much you had in the first place. But that's not the program. Now this program is to do with sound. Every time you press a key on the keyboard, you'll have a sound coming through the TV or monitor. So you can hear every time you press a key. As you can probably also tell, my new keyboard I'm typing on is one of those fashionable clicky ones, and yes, it lights up. And why not? Now, as you can see, the data I'm typing here is actually machine code. This will actually allow the sound to be generated every time you press a key on the keyboard. Now there is another way of doing machine code, but that's through data statements. RAM statements. RAM statements, but that's another video. So this will be the last line of data we need. and the line after this will be the line telling the computer where we want to put it into the VIC-20's memory. Yes, hello my old friend. The reason why I say that is because this line I'm doing now, as I say, is the line we tell the computer where we want to put all that machine code into the memory of the VIC-20, and it's a line I've typed hundreds of times over, and not just for the VIC-20 but the Commodore 64 and Plus 4 plus the Commodore 16. Very piece of important code. So as we're going to be putting these data statements, machine code, we're going to be putting it in to this location here, 830, and you have to have a closing point, which is 888. Now this is straight into the tape deck. Tape deck buffer. So of course after doing that, we need a specific program. We need to run this program. Which I think I'll change the colour to, green. I like green. So this here will run this. Let's go back to the normal colour that. So hopefully this will runs perfectly. And there we have it. Apart from the noise from my keyboard, for those who have really good hearing, every key pressed will now come through the TV or monitor. Now we will be using this program in future for when we actually make games for the VIC-20, preferably being text-based games. Oh, and these text-based games hopefully will also have music, but not for the unexpended VIC-20. but in order, so with a VIC-20 with say 8, with a RAM expansion of 8, 16 or the whole 32K, this beeping sound every time you press a key might interrupt the music. So the way you turn the music off is just simply by typing or having it in the program. As you can tell, the beeping's gone. But there you go. I hope you like this program, and I do apologise for taking so long, but I've also been hard at work, and after I've done with work, I've been doing other projects for my YouTube channel. So I do apologise for taking so long, but I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you carry on enjoying. If you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, plus on top of that, feel free to use this program yourself. It's another reason why it's here.